Hello, good afternoon. Myself is Aminuddin Pezade. Today I am giving seminar presentation on green manufacturing. These are the contents on which we are going to discuss. What is green manufacturing? Green manufacturing is a manufacturing process in which we reduce the waste and pollution and recycle the used material to reuse it. Goals of green manufacturing. The main objective or goal of green manufacturing is to protect or save the natural resources from the future for the future generation, and its goal is to achieve the sustainability in economic growth. Why green manufacturing? Pollution is increasing day by day because of manufacturing company. To reduce the pollution, we must adopt the green manufacturing and also to eliminate the waste material by recycling it. Benefits of green manufacturing. By first, create a great reputation to the public. By reducing the company pollution in neighborhood will increase the reputation of company in public. Save the useless cost. Recycling the waste material in company reduces the cost. Promoting research and design. Company has adopt green manufacturing creates 2 times faster than the other companies. How it works? That means company move from traditional end of pipe control to new technology. That means company get modernized to prevent the pollution. End of life management. End of life management is a cycle which is start from raw material to the finished material and ends at the disposal of the product, final product. Virgin material are recycled. Virgin material like wood or metal ore which comes directly from natural can be recycled through the process of distillation and filtering. And also advanced manufacturing system promotes green design and production. Development of innovative manufacturing system. Companies must be decide whether to be make or buy the product. Different aspects in green manufacturing. JIT manufacturing, zero emission strategy, ISO 900 and ISO 14,000. JIT manufacturing JIT manufacturing is a just in time manufacturing which reduces the time of production in company. Zero emission. Zero eliminating the product from the production process which damage the environment. 16% of company actively pursuing zero emission. 85% of companies are pursuing reduce emission strategy. What is ISO 900 and ISO 4, what is ISO 9000 and ISO 14,000? ISO 900 is a international standard set on quality management and quality assurance to help the company to produce the product which is not harm to the environment. ISO 14,000 has 6 basic areas to be considered shown in figure. These are the reference where I get this knowledge. That's all. Thank you, sir.